Installing Python on the computer system. Click on the start button. Search for the web browser. Your web browser can be Google Chrome. If you want to use Google Chrome, click on Google Chrome. If you want to use Microsoft Edge, you can click the Microsoft Edge or any other web browser. I am clicking Microsoft Edge here. This is the search bar of the web browser, and type down Python download. Python download. Here we can see python.org. Click on download Python. Download the latest version for Windows. If your operating system is Windows, you can click this. Here, download Python. The Python exe has been downloaded. Click on open file. Install Python 3.12.3 64-bit. Your computer can be 64-bit or maybe 32-bit. Click add Python exe to the path. Click on install now. It takes a bit of time for installation. Setup was successful is the message given. You can now click close here. Click again on the start button. Click on the start button. You can see recently added Python 3.12 module like this. Python idle, Python 3.12 64-bit. You are supposed to click idle Python 3.12. So this is your Python idle, and you can give the commands here directly in front of the command prompts. For example, here I can say print hello from Python, and immediately you will get the answer. Okay. If you want to write the complete program, in that case you are supposed to click on the file. You are supposed to click on new file and type down the program. For example, again this is your print hello from Python. This is my first program, simplest possible program that we can have in Python. After you have typed down the program, you can save the file. Click on file, click on save or save as. So you can save it in any of the folder which you want to. For example, click on D drive here. Here I can go in for Python program, and here is that your Python programs. This is my folder, and here I can give any name to the program and save it. My first program. This will be saved with the name my first program.py. Save. Once you have saved the program, you can execute the program by clicking run. So click and click run module, and here is the output, hello from Python. This is how you can create the programs, you can save the program, and you can execute the programs. Now while writing the program, some errors may be there. For example, here I am saying print. This is test for print statement. I have made some mistakes here. Here we are having a single quotation mark, here we are having double quotation mark. Okay, so mistakes are there. Let us try to save the program here. Already the program has been saved. If you want to save it with a new name, you will have to use save as. Otherwise, if you say save, the earlier program will be overwritten. And now again, as usual, we can run the program, run module, and you are going to get now errors. That's it. Unterminated string literal detected at line number 2, and here you get a red mark also. Okay, so Here we have given a single quotation mark, here we have given a double quotation mark, that is a syntax or a grammatical error, it has to be corrected. Okay, this is the error in the text that you are given, this will not get detected at all. We have made the changes, so you are supposed to save it again. Click on save, so earlier code will be overwritten. Click on run, and now there is no problem. Run module. This is that. This is the output. You can use F5 key for running directly. This is that. So this is how we are supposed to install the Python IDE, and then you are supposed to open up the Python idle, enter the Python programs and execute them after saving using the run command.